Hello everyone. Hope you're staying safe. Do you know? Every year 29th April is celebrated as International Dance Day. It is the birth anniversary of Jean Georges, who was a French dancer and who's considered as the creator of modern ballet. In today's session, we are going to learn 3 new moves. So let's begin with the moves. Before starting, just a reminder that we start from the right side, right hand or right leg. So the first move of the day, let's start. Let's do the legs first. We open our right leg out, we get our left leg together and we bend. Left, together, bend. Right, together, bend. Left, together, bend. Right, together, bend. Now, let's add the hands to it. Take your right arm towards your right side and open your right leg. As the right arm comes down, take your left arm up in front of your face and left leg together and bend. Same towards your left. Out, together, bend. Out, together, bend. Out, together, bend. Out, together, bend. Let's do it with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second move is, again, let's see the legs first. We start with the right foot, kick, cross, tap, tap at the back, back, kick, cross, tap, kick, cross, tap, kick, cross, tap, kick, cross, tap, kick, cross, tap. Now, let's add hands to it. We'll use the jazz hands with this. Let's do it. Kick, cross, tap. Now when you tap your left leg out, open your arms. Let's do it with the left leg. Cross your arms. Kick, cross, tap. Kick, cross, tap. Kick, cross, tap. Kick, cross, tap. Let's do it with the counts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now starting off with the third step, again we are going to start off with the legs first. Let's watch the legs first. Right leg goes out, you turn, you take your right leg again out and you together. Left, turn, left, together. Right, turn, right, together. Left, turn, left, together. Now let's add the hands to it. We will use the snapping finger hands. Right towards right. Let's do 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. So these are the 3 moves for the session. Keep practicing these moves because these moves are a little tricky, especially the last one is a little tricky move. If you won't practice, it will be difficult for you to do it on the music with the beats. Now let's do all these beats on the music. So let's start.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body, it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally.
Practice makes a man perfect. So keep practicing these moves, as these moves are little tricky. Don't forget to share your videos and please record your videos in a horizontal mode. I have shared the music with you. The link is in the description box. See you next week. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.